Energy-efficient windows Knoxville are a top choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By choosing replacement windows Knoxville, residents can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home environment. Vinyl windows Knoxville offer a durable and cost-effective solution for those seeking new window installations. Known for their low maintenance and excellent insulation properties, vinyl windows Knoxville are a popular choice among homeowners. With a variety of styles and colors available, vinyl windows can enhance the aesthetic appeal of any home, especially when considering replacement windows Knoxville for an energy-efficient upgrade. For those in need of window frame installation Knoxville, professional services are available to restore the integrity and appearance of your windows. Whether dealing with rot, warping, or other damage, window frame installation Knoxville ensures that your windows remain functional and visually appealing, including replacement windows Knoxville for a refreshed look and enhanced performance. Custom windows Knoxville provide homeowners with the opportunity to create unique window solutions tailored to their specific needs and preferences. From size and shape to materials and finishes, custom windows Knoxville offer endless possibilities for personalization and style, particularly when considering replacement windows Knoxville to enhance home efficiency. Window glass replacement Knoxville is essential for maintaining the clarity and efficiency of your windows. Cracked or foggy glass can compromise the performance of your windows, making window glass replacement Knoxville a necessary service for optimal home comfort and energy savings. For those upgrading to replacement windows Knoxville, professional glass replacement ensures a seamless fit and improved functionality. Double-hung windows Knoxville are a classic choice for those seeking a blend of traditional style and modern functionality. With two operable sashes, double-hung windows Knoxville offer excellent ventilation and easy cleaning, making them a versatile option for any home. Consider upgrading to replacement windows Knoxville to enjoy the benefits of energy-efficient glass and improved home insulation. Knoxville window seal installation is crucial for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Damaged seals can lead to air leaks and increased energy costs, so timely window seal installation Knoxville is essential for maintaining a comfortable and cost-effective home environment. Upgrading to replacement windows Knoxville often includes new seals that prevent leaks and enhance insulation. Storm windows Knoxville provide an additional layer of protection against harsh weather conditions. By installing storm windows Knoxville, homeowners can enhance the durability and energy efficiency of their existing windows, ensuring year-round comfort and security. Replacement windows Knoxville can provide similar protection with advanced technology for energy savings and weatherproofing. Window sash replacement Knoxville is a practical solution for windows with damaged or outdated sashes. By opting for window sash replacement Knoxville, homeowners can improve the functionality and appearance of their windows without the need for a full replacement windows Knoxville. Casement windows Knoxville are a popular choice for those seeking a modern and functional window style. With their side-hinged design, casement windows Knoxville offer excellent ventilation and unobstructed views, making them a great addition to any home. Replacement windows Knoxville can upgrade your existing windows to provide better energy efficiency and airflow. Knoxville window hardware installation services are available to address issues with locks, handles, and other window components. Properly functioning hardware is essential for the security and ease of use of your windows, making Knoxville window hardware installation a valuable service, especially when opting for replacement windows Knoxville. Bay windows Knoxville add architectural interest and additional space to any room. With their unique design, bay windows Knoxville create a sense of openness and provide ample natural light, enhancing the overall ambiance of your home. Replacement windows Knoxville offer an ideal solution for installing these beautiful, energy-efficient windows. Upgrade your home with energy-efficient windows Knoxville residents trust for superior insulation and reduced energy bills. Our Knoxville window installation services ensure a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. Choose from a variety of styles, including double-hung windows Knoxville and casement windows Knoxville, to enhance your home's aesthetic and functionality with replacement windows Knoxville. For those seeking custom windows Knoxville, our team offers personalized window style consultation to match your unique taste and home design. Whether you need vinyl windows Knoxville or specialized window glass replacement Knoxville, we provide tailored solutions to meet your needs. Our custom window solutions are designed to improve your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal, making them a great choice for replacement windows Knoxville. If you're experiencing issues with your current windows, our Knoxville window frame installation and window seal installation Knoxville services can restore their functionality. We also offer window hardware installation Knoxville and window sash replacement Knoxville to ensure your windows operate smoothly. Our window maintenance services keep your windows in top condition year-round, making replacement windows Knoxville a practical choice for enhancing home performance. Protect your home with storm windows Knoxville and window security enhancements Knoxville. Our window UV protection Knoxville and window noise reduction Knoxville solutions create a comfortable and secure living environment. For added peace of mind, consider our window energy audit Knoxville to identify areas for improvement, especially with replacement windows Knoxville. Enhance your home's exterior with bay windows Knoxville and window trim installation Knoxville. Our window pane replacement Knoxville and window screen replacement Knoxville services provide a fresh look and improved performance. Address any leaks with our window leak installation Knoxville and window condensation solutions Knoxville for a dry, comfortable home with replacement windows Knoxville. Trust our vinyl window installation and window frame installation experts for all your home window upgrades Knoxville. From window glass replacement to insulated glass units, we offer comprehensive services to meet your needs. Our window condensation solutions and window noise reduction services ensure a comfortable living space, especially when upgrading to replacement windows Knoxville. For a seamless experience, rely on our window pane replacement and window screen replacement services. Our window style consultation and window energy audit services help you make informed decisions about your home improvements. With our window UV protection and window security enhancements, your home will be safe and energy efficient, especially with replacement windows Knoxville. Choose our window maintenance services and window hardware installation for reliable, long-lasting results. Our window sash replacement and casement window services provide the perfect solution for any window issue. With our expertise in replacement windows Knoxville, your home will benefit from improved energy efficiency and style.